In this NerdBats episode, we're going to explore how to add a widget with multiple NerdCo queries in it. So here is an example that I'm querying my average response time from my transaction event, where my app name equals to web portal since 1 day ago. What I want to do is to compare with the average response time between my production and my staging environment. But my staging environment is sitting in a separate account. What we can do is to add another query. You can see this option here. That is because we are using a time series clause in the NerdCo query. Let's add another query. I'm just going to use the same NerdCo query, and I'll just change the account to the account that my staging environment is sitting, and I change the name as staging response time and run the query. Now we can see both the response time from my staging and production environment in the same widget. Well, you can add as many as 10 subqueries in the same widget. Another use case that I want to show you guys is this. For this case, we are looking at the average duration from each of my transaction name. But we have a target response time as 1.5 seconds, and so I can compare. But you can see the results. We have a lot different groups with the transaction name as well as the target name. I only want to have target one line as target, so I don't want to see so many of the groups with target and the transaction name. What I can do is add another query. I should remove the static value first, and then run a query. And then add another query where I only want to select the static value from the same transaction with the same time window and time series. And now my group results is much cleaner with the target value here. You can find more details in the description link. Thank you.